Welcome to the AI personal assistant. It's like a real personal assistant that manages all your email for you so you don't have to. So this is how it works. You just type in and explain to the AI how you want it to work, but we have loads of examples down the side so you can quickly click them and add them. So for example, let's label newsletters but archive them so we can quickly jump to the newsletter folder when we want it, but we don't need to have those newsletters clogging up our inbox. Marketing emails, let's do the same, and let's also label any email that needs a reply. So I want to send all the receipts I get to my accountant. Let's say I'm an investor. I want to send pitch decks to my pitch deck team. Let's say I often set up calls. So here I can just send over my Calendly link. Now that's done, we'll hit save. On the rules page, you'll see all the different rules we have set up. I had a few set up from beforehand as well. These are all the different rules converted from the prompt on the previous page. So if you want to dive into exactly how the AI has understood them, they'll be here, but you'll see they do a pretty good job. And if you want to go and edit them, you can as well. So here you can see each rule has a different name to it. There are different conditions. For example, label all invoices. There are other conditions you can choose, and then the actions as well. So here we just want to label everything as an invoice and archive it. But let's say you also wanted to forward it, you just click here and you could forward it to accountant. And if you want to generate some copy, you can as well. Write a nice message for my accountant and so on. And then we can hit save. Now these can be run automatically or they can be run in planning mode. If they're run in planning mode, so this won't be toggled, and instead you'll see lots of different tasks come up in the pending view. So here you can see a task which hasn't been automated. Let's say you want to be a bit more careful with it, so you can either ask the AI just to draft emails for you, or you can just have them all appear here. So here you can see I can just approve or reject the different tasks that the AI wants to do on my behalf. Here you can see history of some of the tasks it's already done for me. And here I can go and test out different rules. So you can test against real emails that you have in your inbox, or you can just make up an email and put it here and click test rules. We also have a groups tab. These are basically collections of emails. So all the emails that match newsletters, for example, and if you hit edit, you'll see different matches that we have. You can also hit matching emails to see more details. The advantage of groups is that the AI has to do less work. It sets it up ahead of time. So for example, any emails that come in from any of these people, if you read Trends VC, for example, every Trends email will be classified as a newsletter, and then you can have an automation for that. And we don't need AI processing in real time for each email that comes in from Drew. Last thing I'll show you is configure bulk run. So typically how the AI assistant will work is that it works on new emails coming in. It won't handle what's already happened, but when every new email that pops in your inbox, it's going to decide if it wants to run a task on it or not. So here what you can do is you can run it against previous emails as well, and if you want you can set a start and end date and then run the AI against those. So I hope you enjoyed. That's how the AI personal assistant works. It's super handy. You can go and put any rules in that you want. And also, if you want to share this with others, just like copy and paste your rules and send it to them, and they'll be able to put their own rules in immediately and have their own AI assistant working in no time as well. Enjoy.